and I wanted to show y'all what he got me.
Keep alive. Yeah. You're the flower that I gotta protect and keep alive. Yeah. You're the flower that I gotta protect and keep alive. Yeah. You're the flower that I gotta protect and keep alive.
Well, first of all, hi guys, welcome to my channel. I haven't said this in a long time. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, like the video. If you're new here, like the video. It was a really nice day. Yes, I'm learning how to wear my beanie, make sure I don't lose it. Anyway, I also came to see Bay, and I wanted to show y'all what he got me. Okay, so first, this is a bag. First of all, I'm a sparkly, shimmery, glittery. That's me. Look at the bag. Okay, let me hurry up because he went out real quick. I don't know if I can show everything. I'm gonna just show y'all. We gonna keep it cute. We call it a day. Alright, so y'all saw the bag. Okay, so first we have this. First of all, look at it. It has glitter on it. This is so cute. I gotta hurry up because I don't want to be in the process and he walking like, take it out, take it out. First of all, you see my colors? I mean, seriously. Look at it, y'all. I opened it in front of him. And wait, I don't know. I'm by myself now, really, you know what I'm saying? But yes, okay, and then you have this. A grinder. Ooh. My auntie also got me something like this a couple years back. Oh my god. In the ashtray. Tell me this is not fire, y'all. Look! Ah! Oh.
Yeah.
The fact that I'm really over here super comfortable. So yeah, I got my, what's this called? My tray. Rolling tray. Okay. Booyah. I got my crusher here. Shout out to Boo Friend. Thank you so much. Alright, so boom. I'm about to, I don't even got no papers out. I'm gonna get that. So y'all, I'm about to I need my paper. Booyah. Hoop. Ta-da. We got to get. I haven't bought a lighter in like a long time, and I just said like, oh, I should just get a lighter, but I never did it. Today I said, oh, let me just get a lighter. Make sure it's a good size, brand new. Oh, pink and purple. Thank you. I come. What? You watch all the way through, put a pink heart or a purple heart, rock with it.